Hey Sarah, have you thought about your dream vacation yet?
Yes, I have been thinking about a trip to France.
France? Why not Italy? I want to go to Rome.
I have been to Italy before. If I could, I would love to go to Paris and explore the city.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Maybe we can plan a trip there together.
That would be great. When do you want to go?
How about next summer?
Perfect. Let's start planning now.
Sarah, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love to read books and watch movies.
That's great. What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading fiction and mystery novels.
What about movies? Do you have any favorites?
Yes, I love romantic comedies and dramas. How about you?
I like to draw and paint in my free time. It's a great way to relax and express myself creatively.
That's awesome. Have you shown me any of your artwork before?
No, not yet. But maybe one day I will. Sarah, how's your job going?
It's going well. I enjoy working at the hospital as a nurse.
That's great. How long have you been working there?
I've been there for about 2 years now.
Do you see yourself staying there for a long time?
Yes, I do. I love my job and I feel like I can make a difference in people's lives.
That's really inspiring. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do career-wise.
Don't worry, Amy. You'll find your passion and your dream job one day. Amy, have you ever had any interesting travel experiences?
Yes, I have. One time when I was in Japan, I got lost in Tokyo and couldn't find my way back to my hotel.
Oh no. That sounds scary.
It was at first, but then I met some locals who helped me find my way back. It turned out to be a fun adventure.
That's amazing. I once went to Thailand and got to ride an elephant. It was one of the most unforgettable experiences of my life.
Wow, that sounds incredible. I've always wanted to ride an elephant. Maybe I should plan a trip to Thailand.
You definitely should. It's a beautiful country with so much to see and do. Amy, what's your favorite food?
I love sushi. It's so delicious and healthy.
I love sushi too. What's your favorite type of sushi?
I like salmon and tuna rolls the most. How about you?
I love eel and shrimp rolls. Have you tried any other Japanese dishes before?
Yes, I've tried tempura and ramen before. They're both delicious.
I love ramen too. I also enjoy Korean barbecue. Have you tried that before?
No, I haven't. But I would love to try it someday.
Speaking of things to add to the bucket list, have you ever been to a music festival before?
Yes, I have. I went to Coachella a couple of years ago and it was so much fun.
Oh wow, I've always wanted to go to Coachella. Who were some of the performers you saw?
There were so many great artists, but my favorites were Beyoncé, The Weeknd, and Haim.
Those are some of my favorites too. I'll have to start planning for next year's festival. Do you have any other music recommendations?
Yeah, have you heard of this new indie band called the Marias? They have such a unique sound and I've been listening to them on repeat lately.
No, I haven't heard of them before, but I'll definitely have to check them out. Thanks for the recommendation. So, how's work been for you lately?
It's been busy, but good. We just finished up a big project and I'm looking forward to taking a break and catching up on some rest this weekend.
That sounds nice. I've been swamped with work too, but I'm hoping to finish up everything by Friday so I can relax a bit this weekend.
That's a good plan. What kind of work do you do again?
I'm a graphic designer for a marketing agency. It can be stressful at times, but I love the creative aspect of it.
That sounds like a really interesting job. I work in finance, so it's a bit different, but I like the challenge of it.
Yeah, everyone has their own strengths and interests. It's great that we can pursue different paths and still be close friends. So, have you been keeping up with your workout routine lately?
Yeah, I've been trying to go to the gym at least 3 times a week. It can be tough to stay motivated, but I always feel better afterwards.
I know what you mean. I've been trying to do more yoga and stretching to improve my flexibility.
That's a great idea. I've been wanting to try some yoga classes myself. Have you found any good ones around here?
Yeah. There's a studio down the street that offers a variety of classes. I can send you their website if you're interested.
That would be awesome, thanks. I've been wanting to switch up my routine and try something new.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid. It was such a gripping and emotional read.
Oh, I've heard great things about that book. I'll have to add it to my reading list. What's it about?
It's about a Hollywood icon named Evelyn Hugo who tells the story of her life and all of her marriages to a struggling journalist. It's a really fascinating and well-written novel.
That sounds really interesting. I've been trying to read more lately, so I'll definitely check it out. Do you have any other recommendations?
Yeah, if you're into historical fiction, I highly recommend The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna. It's set during World War II and tells the story of two sisters in France who become involved in the resistance movement.
That sounds like my kind of book. Thanks for the recommendation, Amy. Have you thought about what to do for our anniversary next month, Amy?
Oh, I totally forgot about it. What day is it again?
It's on the 20th of next month. I was thinking of maybe going on a weekend getaway.
That sounds great. Any particular place in mind?
I was thinking maybe we could go to a nearby beach town. There are some cute little bed and breakfast places we could stay at.
That sounds perfect. We could spend some time relaxing on the beach and exploring the town.
Exactly. And we could have a nice dinner at a fancy restaurant to celebrate.
I love it. I'm so excited now.
Me too. It's going to be such a nice break from our busy lives.
Definitely. Thanks for planning this, Sarah. You're the best friend a girl could ask for. Aww.
Thank you, Amy. You're pretty great yourself. I can't wait for our anniversary trip.